Namaste, it's me Ruthmeri Shrestha from Learning Nepali. Welcome to our new video. In today's video, we are going to learn Nepali letters. Nepali language has 32 vowels and 36 consonants. These letters are called Akshar in Nepali. Just repeat after me. Akshar. By the end of this video, you will be able to read simple Nepali words. So now let's begin our lesson. First, let's learn the vowels. In Nepali, vowels are called swar. Swar. Here are the main vowels with example words. First is a. A. The example word in Nepali is anar. Anar, which means pomegranate in English. Next is a. A. The example word is ago. Ago, which means fire. Next is e. E. The example word is ita. Ita, which means brick. Next is e. E. The example is Iswar. Iswar, which means God. U. U. The example is Ulu. Ulu, which means owl. Another vowel is U. U. The example is Un. Un, which means wool. Z. Z. Example, Rissi. Rissi, which means sick. A. A. The example is egg. Egg, which means one. I. I. The example is aina. Aina, which means mirror. O. O. The example is ochre. Ochre, which means chestnuts. Au. Au. The example is ausathi. Ausathi, which means medicine. Ang. The example angur. Angur, which means grapes. The last one is a. A. The example is a. A, which is exclamation word. These are the main vowels that are mostly used by Nepalese people in their daily life. Now let's learn some consonants. Consonants in Nepali are called Byanjan. Byanjan. So we will learn them in groups based on similar sounds. Group 1. Ka group, which means Ka Varga. Ka Varga. It includes the letters like Ka. Ka. For example, Kamal. Kamal, which means lotus. Ka. Ka. The example is Khasi. Khasi, which means goat. Ga. Ga. The example word is Gamala. Gamala, which means vase. Ka. Ka. The example is Kadi. Kadi, which means clock. Nga. Nga. Example word is Angur. Angur, which means grapes. Group 2 is Cha group. Cha Varga. The letters are Cha. Cha. The example word is Chara. Chara, which means bird. Cha. Cha. The example word is Chata. Chata, which means umbrella. Ja. Ja. The example word is jahaz. Jahaz, which means ship. Ja, ja. The example word is charna. Charna, which means waterfall. Group 3 is ta group. Ta varga. The letters are ta, ta. The example word is tomato. Tomato, which means tomato. Ta, ta. The example is thela. Thela, which means cart. Da, da. The example word is damaru. Damaru, which means drum. Da, da. The example word is doka. Doka, which means door. There are some more groups of consonants that we will be learning in our next video. Now let's practice forming some words from what we learned. We will break words down into letters. For example, kamal. Here, ka plus ma plus la. It becomes kamal. Next is am. A plus ma. It becomes am. Ka plus ra. It becomes kar. Charna. Ta plus ra plus na. It becomes charna. Like this, you can form any letters you want to. So finally, we are end of our today's lesson. Thank you for watching and learning Nepali letters with me till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Learning Nepali for more Nepali contents. So until next time, धन्यवाद.